This is the all-new TECNO Camon 17, and in this deep sea color, it is such a beautiful smartphone. Welcome to my TECNO Camon 17 unboxing and initial impressions video. Opening the box, the first item you will see is the TECNO Camon 17. From the plastic wrap around this smartphone, you can see that it comes with a 48 megapixel main camera, a display with a 90Hz refresh rate, the mediatek Helio G85 processor, and at 74,000 Naira or $151 for the 4GB RAM, 128GB internal storage version, it's going up against devices like the Redmi 90 and the Redmi Note 10. It certainly looks better than those devices, so that's a good start for the TECNO Camon 17. Back to the box, it comes with a TPU case that is a perfect fit for this beautiful smartphone. It comes with a warranty card, a micro USB cable, a earpiece, and an 18 watts fast charger. For the build quality, the all-new TECNO Camon 17 has a plastic rear with a matte finish. The frame of this device is made from plastic as well. I hate to do this because this is such a beautiful smartphone, but as you can see, this is one durable smartphone. It doesn't attract fingerprints, but it seems to like smudges a lot, and you can always clean that off. Can the TECNO Camon 17 swim? Well, no. It isn't a water-resistant smartphone, but if you happen to dip it inside water, it will survive, so that's a plus. If you appreciate the drop and water test, a sub to this channel would be cool. For the display, the TECNO Camon 17 comes with a 6.55-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. The display has a 90Hz refresh rate and a 180Hz touch sampling rate. Scrolling on this device is smooth, fast, and I have to say the display is very responsive. Powering the TECNO Camon 17 is the mediatek Helio G85 processor. It's a 12nm chipset that delivers powerful performance for gaming and multitasking. It doesn't stop there. The mediatek Helio G85 processor offers improved connectivity between the smartphone and a GSM-based tower. It also offers improved gaming thanks to the rapid response engine and better picture quality. I'll be playing games like Genshin Impact, PUBG, Call of Duty in my full review, so stay tuned for that. Moving to the camera department, the TECNO Camon 17 comes with an 8 megapixel front-facing camera. TECNO says it's the clearest front-facing camera they've ever created, and yeah, samples taken with the front-facing camera of the TECNO Camon 17. Like I said, I'll be doing an in-depth review of the cameras in my full review, so subscribe if you don't want to miss out on that video. It has an AR mode, AR 3.5, that you can use to capture pictures like this. You can also use it to capture video and change your voice with the AR mode.
Hello guys, welcome to Valor Reviews. Thanks for watching my video. Hit the subscribe button.
Hello guys, so here's a video from the front-facing camera of the TECNO Camon 17. It can shoot in 2K, 30 frames per second. So what do you guys think about the video and audio quality that the TECNO Camon 17 is producing? Do you guys like it? Now moving to the rear camera, the 48 megapixel camera takes very good pictures. I'm really impressed with the rear camera. Night mode is decent. Portrait shots look good on this camera. This is still the rear camera of the TECNO Camon 17. What do you guys think about the video and audio quality of the rear camera? It's shooting in 2K, no image stabilization. So let me know what you think about the video and audio quality of the TECNO Camon 17. Now moving to the battery department, the TECNO Camon 17 comes with a 5000 mAh battery, and that will last the entire day. It also comes with an 18 watts fast charger, and it took just around 2 hours to charge this device from 0 to 100, which is not too bad, I guess. So guys, this is my unboxing and initial impressions video on the TECNO Camon 17. What would you like me to test out in my full review of this smartphone? Let me know in the comment section below. Now if you found this video to be useful, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Valor signing out.